So foam rollers, these are extremely useful for getting rid of a lot of pains in people's bodies, especially to do with my fascial pain, so muscle in the fascia, and also joint pain coming from joints being stuck open all the time. So it's particularly a back that's sort of rounded, backs that look like this all the time from sitting. This is very useful for the spine. So they come in different sizes. There's the really long ones and the short ones here. There's ones you can buy that look like these long ones, but they're short. It doesn't matter. They do all the same job. These shorter ones are better for travel. The more condition your body gets with foam rolling, the more firmer surface you can use. So this here's got PVC pipe plus padding around it. Some people just get a PVC pipe and just roll over that, so the body gets more conditioned to it. The longer ones here, the only advantage is they're not advantage for travel, but for doing core exercise, we actually lay on top of these things and you do some core work that way. So they're more useful for Pilates classes and things like that. So for your thoracic spine, so you're laying over it, so you have it that way, and you're laying over. So you put it where maybe the sorest spot is, might be sore here. So I arrange myself so that I lay on that there, so that's covering that angle. And then I'm just coming up and down with the arms. You can do about 6 of those. It helps the thoracic spine go into extension just by doing this. And the roller is like a fulcrum I'm moving over. I can lay like a Y with the arms, or like a T, like a crucifix, and just lay over it. If I roll up a little bit, I get another segment, and I can do all those movements again. So I'm helping those segments to move that way. Lay as a Y, it'll stretch the pecs as well. It'll affect the diaphragm to a degree. So you just keep moving either up or down to get different segments. To the lower ribs, it doesn't tend to feel good right in the lower back. It doesn't tend to feel good for most people, so I avoid that. Other way, which is really good to do, is lift the pelvis, hands on the back of the head, and you're just rolling up and down, just like you're trying to iron out tension in your back. This feels really good. And you can go a little bit on one side more than the other. Go right up here, depends how athletic you are, to get to the top. So that's for thoracic. That's enough for most people to do that. To add the lats and the side ribs, you arrange yourself this way. And you're rolling up and down on the ribs, capturing the muscle. You can go all the way to the back of the shoulder. Yep. Only need to spend maybe 20-30 seconds doing this. It does the job that you're after. And any spot that feels really knotty or just feels really good, a bit meaty, you can spend a bit more time there. So you can just lay on that spot, or you can move up and down. When I put my arm up here, it stretches the lat more, so I can actually get a better effect as well. And of course, do both sides.